Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download BitLife Life Simulator app on a device. Now if you want to download BitLife app simulator on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To download BitLife on a device, you need to simply open App Store or Play Store on your Android device, and if you are using iOS, then you need to simply open App Store on device. So open App Store on your device, and at the very bottom right you will see the search option, so click on it and you need to search BitLife. So as you can see, this is the app which says BitLife Life Simulator. So click on the option of get, which is highlighted on blue. So after clicking on highlight, you need to verify yourself and you will see the option of install on iOS, but in Android you will see you'll download it automatically after clicking the option of install or get. So as you can see, the download has been started. So like this is how you can download the BitLife Life Simulator app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.